Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your iCloud password. It's a fundamental security practice to regularly update your credentials. A robust and unique password acts as your first line of defense, safeguarding your personal information across all Apple services. If you ever suspect unauthorized activity or have shared your password, changing it immediately is paramount to maintaining your digital security and peace of mind. This simple action can prevent many potential issues. Changing your iCloud password on an iPhone or iPad is straightforward. First, open your Settings app and tap on your name at the very top. From there, select Sign In and Security, and you'll see the Change Password option. You'll be prompted to enter your device passcode, which verifies your identity. Then, simply type in your new, strong password twice to confirm. It's a quick process that takes less than 1 minute to complete. For Mac users, the process is equally simple. Begin by opening System Settings or System Preferences on older Mac OS versions and click on your name located at the top. Next, select Sign In and Security from the options presented. You'll then click Change Password. Your Mac will ask for your computer's password to verify your identity. Once authenticated, you can enter your new Apple ID password and confirm it, securing your account across all your Apple devices. When creating a new password, aim for strength and uniqueness. A robust password should be at least 12 characters long, incorporating a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Steer clear of personal information or common phrases that are easy to guess. For ultimate security, consider utilizing a trusted password manager. These tools can generate incredibly complex passwords and store them securely, ensuring each of your accounts has a unique and formidable defense.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.